No.
Hi, Tucker. Yep. Okay, go peek at Soren. Say hi to him. Oh. What's that?
No.
Oh. Hey, Tucker. Did you put your hat on by yourself?
No.
Did you put it on by yourself? Yeah? You did a good job, huh? Oh, Sora's trying to see you.
You can't see me.
Andy Bell. Hey, Andy. Andy. Hey. Andy, hello.